Hey guys, Captain Keith here from MarineMax Clearwater with Captain Nick sitting right over here. He's at the helm.
Hi guys.
We just put up a little spot here. We're going to stop and we're going to anchor up and do some little fishing. So we look here, I'm in 7 foot of water. So when you're anchoring your boat, no matter what you're doing, a good rule of thumb is have 5 foot of anchor line out for every foot of water you're in. So we walk up here to the anchor locker, open this up, pull our anchor out of here. So we got anchor, we got a nice healthy section of chain. So I don't want to be dragging all this chain over the bow, so kind of separate them out into your hands. And then you're just going to place the anchor over, let her go down, and then just feed it out. So 7 times 5 is 35 feet. So I'm not sure on this boat, that looked like probably about 12 feet of chain there. So Nick's got the boat in reverse, and we're slowly backing out of here. So you just got to kind of guesstimate it, or you can actually mark your anchor road. Maybe put a line at 10 foot, 2 lines at 20 foot, 3 at 30, or however you want to do it that works for you. Then once you got enough anchor road out, you're just going to kind of start pulling or bump the boat into reverse to where you feel it hook, and you're going to feel that anchor dig in. And then once again, when we go to the cleat, we're going to go the longest way around, under both sides, half a figure 8. You're going to give it a twist and pull on there, and then you're set. Instead of pulling your boat back up to the anchor, have somebody at the helm go ahead and bump it in gear, and then all I've got to do, or you or your wife or your kids, whoever's up here, all you're doing is just picking up loose slack line. Now you may have to tell them go a little this way, a little that way, so you stay right up on top of it, but then it's just going to make it so much easier that you're just picking up the dead weight basically, or the line, and then once the anchor's right straight underneath you, then it'll come right back up. I hope this helps with your anchoring. If your anchor doesn't grab and you're still sliding back, try letting out a little more anchor road and get a little bit better angle on it. If not, pick it up, see, maybe you got fouled with a bunch of grass or something on there, maybe clean it off and try it again. So I hope this helps. For Captain Nick back there at the helm, I'm Captain Keith. We'll see you guys out on the water.
Bye guys.